I don't see nobody but you. Got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us coming? Tell me, do you feel that love?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Afu Isa Alfarizi. I am in class X2 abjad number 1 from SMAN 1 Banjarnegara. On this occasion, I will practice or tell you how to make Milo milk. This is my English achievement in procedure text material. Here are the steps. First, prepare the necessary material and tools such as a sachet of Milo, milk, hot water, glass spoon, and throwing bed according to taste. Second, open the Milo milk sachet, erase and pour it into a glass. Third, add enough hot water according to the measure specified in the Milo milk sachet. Next, stir with a spoon and add toppings such as bread, according to taste. This topping is not mandatory. Finally, Milo milk is ready to drink. That's what I can say. If there are wrong words, I apologize profusely. The final word, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.